Hi everybody, today I will show you how to copy and paste in Google Sheets. So let's begin. So there are a few ways to do this and I will show you the most useful ones. The basic way, selecting the cell or range of cells that you want to copy and hit Ctrl plus C on your keyboard. Now click the cell where you want to paste it and hit Ctrl plus V on your keyboard. That's it. It's pretty simple. Now, if I copy this section and paste it here by pressing Ctrl plus C and Ctrl plus V, you can see the formatting and formulas are also copied. Now, if you only want to paste the values and not the formatting or formulas, simply while pasting, right click on the destination cell and hover over Paste a Special option. So this is the Paste a Special option. Now, from there, select Paste Values Only. That is this option. And the formulas and formatting will not be copied. This is really handy when you have formula in your cells but you just want the numbers to carry over. Now, another way to copy and paste is simply selecting the cells that you want to copy and paste, right clicking and clicking this copy option. Now, select the place where you want to paste it, select the cell, right click and click paste. And that will instantly copy and paste your values in Google Sheet. So, these were the simple ways through which you can copy and paste in Google Sheets. If you found this helpful, subscribe to the channel and leave a like.